Hi, my name is Ihuaku Nweke, and I'm the founder of Cedar Cube. Cedar Cube is a social enterprise focused on family restoration. Now, I'm very, very passionate about family restoration, and I think I've even become more so after having my own family with my husband and our 3 young boys who are quickly becoming young men now. And I'm very passionate about family restoration because I feel that a lot of the issues that we face in society today, if they were dealt with in the home, then they would not become societal issues. So things like mental health issues, domestic abuse, just to name a few. Now, Cedar Cube deals with these issues and helps restore families through 4 main pillars, and that is to heal, empower, bond, and connect. Now, healing is internal facing, so as we know, we need to heal first within ourselves before we can even impact society, before we can have a meaningful relationship. And that healing is done through counseling and through therapy and coaching as well. And we empower through educational workshops, through conferences, coaching, and, also practical empowerment. For instance, in 2020, we started a scheme called Single Mothers Benevolent Fund, and that was designed to help single mothers who have reached a rough patch in their lives, who are struggling, who just need a help. So we sent secondhand clothing to 5 single mothers who we're still coaching, and more are coming into the program. And one in particular was able to resell the clothes and help herself to start a new business selling dried meats, and also restart a business for her mom doing laundry. So that's just one example. And we've helped a number of women with this scheme where we send them secondhand clothing which they use to start a business so that they can be self-sustaining and they're not relying on handouts. Through counseling, I have also personally helped a number of women to prevent suicide. So I've reached out to them, spoken to them, counseled them, given them advice which has encouraged them and helped them to keep going on. And today, those women are thriving. One of them was able to come out of that deep pit in her life and restart her job as a teacher. One of them was actually the woman I was talking about, who was able to start another business for her mom and for herself. So that's the kind of work that we do to empower families. Another one is also the conference called Building the Excellent Family, which is going to be at the O2 for the 5th year running. And that's on the 26th of November, 2023. So if you're listening, I really hope that you'll be there to join us. And the other 2 are connecting, so networking with one another, reaching out to the communities, and bonding as a family and as a community through retreats and other events that we put up. So I would like to personally thank Veronica Seban for introducing me to the Global Elite Leadership Forum. It's been amazing so far. So many great leaders there. And I can't wait to impact even more into this community. And I would also like to extend my gratitude for the Female Leadership Summit, which took place this previous weekend in the UK. And it went very well on the 30th of September actually, and it was amazing. So I would really look forward to being part of such like events again being held on this platform. Thank you once again for your time.